because maybe that's where the emotion is, and maybe that's what I was lacking and missing. Hello everybody, welcome to Soul Sessions with Piwa. Thank you for joining me this week, and thank you for joining me in the previous episodes as well. Actually, thank you for your response in the previous episodes. I got a couple requests for songs and I'm still working on them. I got Neria by Oliver Mtukudzi. I got Come Through with Her and Chris Brown, and I also got, this actually kind of made me feel like really honored. I got a request for Running, which is an original PiwaRudo song, and that made me realize that I don't know myself enough and my music enough. Thank you for that, and I'll keep working on it. I'm still working on all your requests and all the pieces you asked me to deliver, and I will. I just want to make sure I give you guys great stuff, and right now I don't feel like it's where it's supposed to be. That is for you to decide though, but I want to also make sure I do my part. So what I'm going to do for you instead today is a cover of Summer Walker's Session 32, incorporating some Shona. This is something I've been playing around with, and I just want to deliver it to you. I know I don't seem 100% right now. It's just been a really rough week, and I guess that's why I do this, you know, because I come back home and I grab my guitar and I decompress and let everything out through music, which is the purpose of Soul Sessions, you know, for us to decompress and like forget about the struggles of life for just a few minutes and get back into ourselves. So let me not talk so much. Let's just do it. I threw away your love letters. I thought it made me feel better. I finally got you on my bed, but I still can't get you on my head. Ooh, I'm sending you one text at a time. I know you by your phone, so boy, pick up the line. And each get but what's been said has been said. Dona osive kuti, osive rudo. Dona osive, I would osive, I would osive rudo. Kana osive. On the phone, I will see that road. Can I see I will see that road. Can I sing a song with it? I see uno see that, but you probably never seen it in your life. You probably never seen it in your life. No. You probably never seen it in your life. Oh, I would receive it or not. I would receive it, I would. And you probably never seen it in your life. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Soul Sessions. I'll catch you guys next week, and don't forget to leave your suggestions. I guarantee I will deliver. I just want to work on them. Thank you for joining me on my journey as well. This means the world to me, everyone. I don't have the words to express it at the moment, but I love you all. Thank you. I'm gonna edit it. my mind is like drifting into this zone of questioning whether I'm actually like doing a good job and if I should even be doing this or continuing. You don't know what love is, I messed it up. It feels like me giving myself excuses. It feels like me giving myself excuses to not deliver when my life literally depends on my skills and my improvement. I can't slack off. I can't not do it. I have to show up consistently every day when I don't feel like it, when I don't want to, when I feel like I'm about to crash and burn.